Imagine if understanding AI wasn't just technical, it was tactical. Today, we decode ChatGPT not as a black box, but as an intelligence operation. Through the lenses of human, SIGINT, OSINT, and more, we'll uncover how this digital agent processes your words, gathering, interpreting, and deploying intelligence in real time. Whether you're a developer, a creative thinker, or an AI educator, what you learn today will change how you command language. Like a field agent gathering whispers in a bazaar, ChatGPT thrives on direct interaction. This is human intelligence. Your prompt is a personal briefing. The clarity, tone, and intention behind your message are everything. Want precise answers? Treat ChatGPT like a human source. Define your role, set the objective, and signal the context. ChatGPT's brain is built on open source intelligence, data from books, websites, academic journals, forums. It's like briefing a spy with every encyclopedia ever written, up to a point. But remember, it can't Google. If you need fresh intel, include it in your prompt. Signals intelligence is all about intercepts, and in ChatGPT, the intercept is internal. Self-attention mechanisms listen to every word in your prompt, weighting the signal strength between tokens. The result? A network of whispered relevance. Cyber intelligence reveals vulnerabilities, and ChatGPT is trained to recognize patterns in how humans ask questions. It avoids traps, flags edge cases, and defaults to guardrails when prompts get too hot. If you want clarity, don't probe ambiguously. Speak directly. Geospatial intelligence isn't just physical, it's structural. In ChatGPT, this is context, the token window. Imagine a terrain map with limited view range. The further back you place a detail, the more likely it falls off the radar. Language is a cultural artifact, and ChatGPT speaks in patterns it has inherited. Metaphors, idioms, social cues, they matter. Want mystical language? Use mystical language. Want precision? Speak in structured logic. The AI mirrors the culture you encode. Psychological intelligence means knowing what will land. In ChatGPT, tone is everything. You can make it sound like a poet, a therapist, or a drill sergeant simply by asking. This emotional vector is your secret weapon. Finally, counterintelligence. ChatGPT is designed to resist manipulation, flagging misleading prompts, rejecting harmful instructions. It's not just a knowledge engine, it's a safeguard. Your phrasing can trigger filters, so craft prompts ethically and transparently. So what have we uncovered? ChatGPT processes your input like a layered intelligence system, analyzing source data, prioritizing signal, scanning emotional cues, and keeping your context top of mind. But like any analyst, it's only as good as your briefing. You're not just a user, you're a field agent of language. And your mission? Craft better prompts, sharper, smarter, more human. Welcome to the new frontier of AI intelligence.